Happy Cinco de Mayo!
Alright guys, so we got another cooking video in the kitchen. So I recently purchased this cookbook. I will of course put it down in the description box for you guys. It is called Delish. It has like a variety of things from drinks, appetizers, to crazy different type of dips, sandwiches, and even entrees and desserts, of course. So because we're all quarantining, right, we got a nice little spread to make some tacos, and they're kind of like a low carb taco. And of course we're going to be making a margarita, my favorite. So let's get into it.
First off, what we've already done, we've already browned the meat.
Basic like taco, like however you make your taco meat, using ground turkey, whether it's ground beef or whatever meat you prefer. We use ground turkey, so that's what we got over here, already cooked and ready to go. So the recipe, okay, so for the tacos, the main thing, instead of using like a tortilla or a lettuce wrap, we will be using a tomato as our shell, right?
Yes, I mean it takes the place of like a tortilla, like she was saying, or a lettuce wrap. So
yeah,
that would be like your shell.
Okay, so you cut. So I'm just reading to figure out how I'm gonna cut this. So like you guys just saw, like how the tomato is cut, like a flower, I guess. I don't know how to do this. Do you?
That's what you're here for, is the cutting part.
I bet.
It looks like it's just like a...
I know, like you're gonna cut in each hole. Y'all, we having a moment. Excuse us. Being careful not to cut all the way through. Carefully spread. I don't get it. I don't get it. Like, what does it mean? Slice down. Like, I don't get it. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it.
Let me do it.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, it's easier said than done. We probably should have practiced with one first. I basically just set him up to do this, so yeah. That's basically what I was doing. Right? I don't get it. You see what Jordan has done. You flip it over stem side down. Right? Yeah. So then he sliced it like this. And then you're gonna pack your taco meat in here and all your toppings. Either way, y'all, this is just cute, fun, festive. Just to switch it up, since we can't go and sit in a bar.
What we're doing is we're bringing Cinco de Mayo to y'all.
Yeah. So y'all should try it. Grab this book, y'all. I'm telling you, there's so many cool like recipes. There's a lot of like different a lot of like party themed stuff to do. Like we have like a lot of like people come over, like dinner parties or something. It's cool. Ooh.
And she just split that.
It's cool.
And she just split.
Whatever. I mean, it's still like together.
What we're gonna go ahead and do in the meantime, we're actually have a really awesome margarita recipe that we saw in the book, and we're gonna go ahead and prepare that. So yeah, so what we'll need is 6 ounces, 2 juice 3 limes. So we gotta juice 3 limes. Rachel is now cut up the limes here.
Pretty. I feel like I could be a bartender now. I'm a professional. So juicing, I would definitely say get like a little handheld juicer thing to really get all your juice.
Work those arms.
Yeah, quarantine workout.
Those lines.
I guess what if I did it like this? Yeah, there you go. Improvising. Get.
So already what we've done is we went ahead and filled the glasses up now with some blackberries, some strawberries, some pineapple, blackberry, strawberry, some pineapple there.
We got our 3 first squeeze lemon juice, whatever, a cup of ice, maybe a little bit more ice. And see it? It's actually like a honeycomb in there. Can you eat honeycombs? Watch out. I don't know, how do you get this in here? It's a slow process. One more. Pause this for 2. Make sure I get it on the ice and the blade. I can kind of use this as a. This one. You can find it at your liquor store, I'm sure.
I'm not a big tequila drinker.
Right.
Rachel likes tequila, but
Yeah.
I've had too many like, you know how like when you've had a liquor and it's been a bad experience? That's tequila for me, so I try to stay away from it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little splash.
The recipe didn't call for this, but we're gonna improvise a little bit, and we gonna get a little flavor. We're gonna add a splash of strawberry.
That's good. Yeah.
Should be like a little pulse.
This is a challenge to get all of this in here. Like, what? I guess I would not recommend adding extra ice. So that's not drinkable. Yeah, add too much extra ice.
Yeah, so you don't want to add too much ice to it.
Jordan got a little ice happy and added like 4 more cups of ice.
So it is more like a slushy-like consistency here.
It's mostly slushy.
You know what can take care of that? You can always add some more alcohol to the whole equation, and that fixes everything.
That's gonna be yours. All that extra.
So we completed our Cinco de Mayo meal.
Yeah.
We're gonna try it out. You guys can comment down below if you think it looks kind of close to the picture. We tried to, get the best we could to.
Yeah. I think for our drink, we definitely could have eased up on the ice and probably did just a cup instead of like the 10 that Jordan did.
And there's the drink.
Yeah.
Compare it to the book there.
So cheers! Happy Cinco de Mayo! First of all, that's some good tequila.
Yeah.
I heard you. I know my tequila. You can eat the omelet. Alright, let's try our makeshift taco. So how do you eat it? Do you just like dig into the... I would say more like a taco salad type deal, but... He didn't tore his whole tomato up. But it's good. I mean, low carb. With a nice thing of a margarita. Like, I'm so happy. This is good. I like it. Definitely recommend. I would say try it, guys. So if y'all decide to try to make this, definitely tag us in it. Let us know what you think about it, if you like it. I know we've been doing a lot of like cooking videos lately.
Anyways, you guys have a good one. Happy Cinco de Mayo to you. We're gonna go ahead and roll the footage of Megan Haynes actually
subscriber shout out.
Woo!
Hey girl, hey.
She's been a loyal subscriber to us from the very beginning.
She was one of our giveaway winners for you guys that don't know. We did a giveaway for our 100 subscribers. Stay tuned, because when we hit that 200, we are definitely doing another giveaway. So you could be the next giveaway subscriber shout out.
Absolutely. So we're gonna roll this footage. You guys have a blessed one. Happy Cinco de Mayo, and good night.
Cheers.
Hey guys, checking the mailbox today to see if I got my gift card from Ray and Jay Vlogs. Thank you for the prize. I don't ever win anything, so it's exciting. And I got it. So my gift card, hopefully this is what this actually is, but I chose Sephora. So it's kind of ironic, my favorite skincare line just launched at Sephora. So I'm gonna use this to buy like all my goods. Moisturizer, conditioner, that kind of stuff. This looks like a gift card. It's really hard to get in here. Oh, this is fancy. Okay, it's a mirror. There she is. But you got a mirror with it, so that's cool. All right, thanks guys. Bye.